It's time to breathe, bend, and stretch.
Hi, I'm Bethany, and today we're going to go on a journey. Do you wonder what I'm doing? I'm swimming, of course. Today we're going to swim with dolphins. We're going swimming with dolphins. Dolphins are powerful and strong, and they're also really, really playful. And you're all of these things too. Here's what you'll need for your practice. You'll need some space so that you can move around. You'll want to have some water so that you stay hydrated. And you can grab your yoga mat and put it out. But if you don't have one, don't worry. It's totally fine to practice without one.
Let's look at the poses we're doing today. We're doing boat pose, dolphin pose, and swimming pose.
The ocean where the dolphins live is so beautiful. It's one of my favorite places in the world. And because we're human, we have to take a boat to go and find these dolphins. So let's get to the mat and get in our boat. Our boat pose, of course. Come on. Put your hands behind you. You want your fingers pointing towards your feet. That way. Pull your knees up and then lift your legs up if you can. If it's too hard, keep them bent. This is your dolphin tail. And then reach your arms out, and these are your dolphin fins. Holding this pose, pulling in your belly, lifting in your chest, staying strong and powerful. Let's row our boat. Let's go find some dolphins in this beautiful ocean. The ocean with the sunlight reflecting off of its surface. And we found some dolphins. We're going to swim with them. Let's do dolphin pose. Place your forearms, that's this part of the arm closest to your hand. Put your forearms down onto the ground. Tuck your toes under. Take a deep in-breath through your back. And on your exhale, your out-breath, lift up and get your dolphin tail legs really, really strong. Start to walk your toes closer to your nose. Your head is not on the ground. Pull your belly in and let your heels come closer to the ground. Do you feel how strong and powerful you need to be to hold your dolphin pose? Here, let's come down and rest in child's pose just for a moment. Put your head on the ground and your hands next to your ankles so that your palms face up. Take 2 deep breaths behind your heart. Let's go back into our dolphin pose. They want to play some more. Put those forearms down. Tuck your toes under. Take a deep in breath. And then lift strong dolphin tails. And now let's play. One leg up. Put it down. Other leg up. Put it down. 1, 2. Lift, lift. Oh my goodness. So much fun. And then child's pose. Knees together. Head on the ground. Hands down. Palms up. Good. They want to swim some more. We're going to do something different. We're going to do a swimming pose. So bring your belly onto the ground. Bring your arms reaching out in front of you. And start kicking your legs and swimming your arms. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Kick, kick, kick. Paddle, paddle, paddle. Kick, kick, kick. Lift your chest higher. Lift your legs a little higher. Whoo! Whoo, playing with dolphins can be really, really fun, but it's also really challenging. Start to breathe super deep in your nose and out your nose. In your nose, out your nose. Let's get back in our boat and head back to land. Sitting down, bring those legs up. We don't want our boat to sink. Lift your chest up and then row your boat. Oh no, here comes a shark. Row, row faster. Whew. Back on land. Good thing. I got a little nervous when I saw that shark. And when we do a lot of things that are very playful and also require a lot of power and strength, then we also need to calm down. So we're back onto the land. Let's do a little bit of breathing to relax. You're going to sit down with your legs crossed, just like I have mine. Turn your hands over so your palms, that's this part, face up. And then pull in your low belly, lift your chest, relax your shoulders. And you can close your eyes, or you can keep them open, but relax your eyes. And let's take a couple of deep breaths. Dolphins are mammals, so they have to come up for air, just like we have to breathe the air. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. 2 more. In through your nose and out through your nose. 1 more breath. I feel great.
You did a really great job today.
Now it's time to lie down and rest. So lie down on your back, stretch your legs out long, let your feet and all your toes relax. Bring your arms down by your sides, your palms facing up towards the sky. Relax your face and close your eyes. Breathe deeply. Feel your belly rise and fall with your breath all the way in and all the way out. Taking 5 more breaths here. Relaxing, trying not to move around. Breathing in and out. You'll notice that thoughts come in your mind. Just watch your thoughts drift like clouds in the sky. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking 1 more deep and relaxing breath here. And then take a deep in breath. And as you breathe out, begin to wiggle your fingers in your toes. Gently open your eyes. Bend your knees. Place your feet on the ground and then roll over to one side. Press yourself up slowly and mindfully. It was great practicing with you.
That we visited the ocean today and got to swim with some dolphins. Until our next adventure, take care, stay strong. Bye.